Goldman Sachs just dropped a bomb. 300 million jobs eliminated by AI. Not maybe. By 2028, McKinsey data shows 50% of white-collar work vanishes. That's your job, your coworker's job, your boss's job, gone. OpenAI's GPT-5 handles legal research 10 times faster than lawyers. Deloitte reported 94% of Fortune 5 companies deployed AI this year. They're replacing paralegals. They're replacing analysts. They're replacing accountants. IBM cut 8,000 jobs, shifted entirely to AI training. Google's Gemini writes code better than 90% of developers. Stack Overflow traffic dropped 40%. These aren't predictions anymore. They're happening now. Your salary, your benefits, your job security, all on the line. The transition hits hardest between 2026 and 2028. That's 18 months away, not decades, not someday, soon. The companies moving fastest will own the market. The companies moving slow will disappear. You need to decide right now, adapt or become obsolete. That's the choice. No middle ground exists. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI every day.